Are you looking for the best 3D scanning services in Faridabad, Delhi, NCR? Look no further, because Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is here to fulfill all your scanning needs. When it comes to top-notch 3D scanning services, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a name that stands out from the rest. With their cutting-edge technology and skilled team, they offer nothing but the best quality scans that will leave you amazed. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is known for providing top 3D scanning services in Faridabad, Delhi NCR, and it's not hard to see why. Their attention to detail and commitment to delivering high-quality scans is truly commendable. Whether you need a 3D scan for architectural purposes or for reverse engineering, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has got you covered. Their team of experts uses state-of-the-art equipment to capture even the tiniest details, ensuring that your scans are as accurate as possible. What sets Scon Design India Pvt Ltd apart from other 3D scanning service providers is their exceptional customer service. They understand that each project is unique and requires personalized attention. That's why they take the time to understand your specific requirements and provide tailored solutions that meet your needs. Their friendly and knowledgeable staff are always ready to assist you every step of the way, making the entire process smooth and hassle-free. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd offers a wide range of 3D scanning services, including industrial scanning, medical scanning, and art scanning. No matter what industry you belong to or what your scanning needs are, they have the expertise and resources to deliver outstanding results. Their state-of-the-art facilities and advanced software ensure that you receive scans of the highest quality with unmatched precision. Are you in need of top-notch 3D scanning services in the bustling city of Faridabad, Delhi, NCR? Look no further than Scon Design India Pvt Ltd. With their cutting-edge technology and experienced team, they are the go-to company for all your 3D scanning needs. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is renowned for their exceptional services and outstanding customer satisfaction. Their dedication to providing top-quality results is what sets them apart from the competition. Whether you are in the architectural, engineering, or manufacturing industry, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has got you covered. What makes Scon Design India Pvt Ltd the top choice for 3D scanning services in Faridabad, Delhi NCR? Firstly, their state-of-the-art equipment ensures accurate and detailed scans every time. They utilize the latest technology to capture even the smallest intricacies of your objects or spaces. This attention to detail is crucial for industries such as architecture and manufacturing, where precision is paramount. With Scon Design India Pvt Ltd, you can trust that your projects will be handled with utmost care and accuracy. Another reason why